Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this. If you are new, my name is Desiree. Of course, I do all things budgeting. In this video, I just wanted to go ahead and get right to the point. Let's talk about my first paycheck when it comes to September. So in my deposit account, and this is just the amount minus any auto withdrawals. So I got $1,350.88. I did have to pay Spot Me Back, which is a service with my Chime card where you get a certain amount of cash to use if you need it. I did end up swiping my card by mistake because I couldn't find my other card that had the cash on it, so I had to pay Spot Me Back, and they take their money out as soon as you get paid. So I had to pay Spot Me $80 and a penny, which left me with $1,270.87. And for offering, I did send my sister 82. So my budget income ended up being $1,188.87. Let's take a look at the bills. So the bills are exactly how they are on my calendar. Uber One $9.99, Prime $7.65, Cricket $118, YouTube subscription $327, NES $106, HP $108, Google $218, half car payment $234, half rent $440. And extra, I did send an extra $5 to Navy Federal by mistake, so I just left that there. All of the bills totaled up to $927.17. I did have $261.70 left. I know that's not a lot, but I should be getting some extra cash in a couple days, so we're just going to work with what we got, and if we truly do need any extra, I can use that money that I have from the last rent, which was about, what, $600 and some I said in the last video. So I do have money there if needed. So really, I just want to work with what I got. So for spending, I'm doing $200. Gas, I'm doing $60. And we end up with $1.70 left, which I am sending that to Allie for Christmas. So that's it. That's the budget. And what I'm going to do now, if I can, is get the prop money together. But first, I need to double check my accounts to make sure of how much money I need to do a cash stuffing. So let's see how that goes. So I'm back from the bank of prop money, and let's see how much we get. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $185. And what I'm going to do is just put the cash. And I just did that so wrong, but we have $185. Let's go ahead and put the money where it needs to go. And yes, I am going to fold the cash. So when it comes to spending was budgeted for $200, and I've spent everything except for $132. So 120. I'm going to swap a 20 out for 2 10s. 1, 2. And that's for spending. Let's see how this money would fold. I probably fold them individually, but for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and fold it this way. And when it comes to gas, I've already spent a little in gas, and what I have left over out of $60 is $53. So let's see how much this equals up to. I don't know why I put that 20 over there. So 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. $53 for gas, and with these envelopes, the G stands for grateful, which is gas. And that's it. I was able to get my extra money that I was telling you all about. And what I'm going to do with that cash is, once I have it all sorted out, I will be using that cash for saving challenges. And I do want to play Shut the Box, and I want to start on one of Marlene's savings challenges. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions about anything, leave a comment down below. And tonight I'm so in love with this little wallet. I'm thinking about getting the red one, but of course I would need to save for that. And this is how, I think I have something in the back, and I do, but it's okay. I did add my wristlet on from the previous wallet, and now I get to carry it like this. So that's it. That's the wallet, and it looks more shiny right here. I probably got sort quick on it, but bye everyone.